Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Thank you all for tuning in on today. Yes, I know it's been a while. I know it's been a long time since you all have seen a full actual video from me. Well, let me speed all of you up and tell you what's been going on in my life. But first and foremost, I thank God for blessing me to be here on today. In today's video, we are going to make step by step a breast cancer awareness tree. October is coming up. I think October is actually tomorrow, the first day of October, and we are celebrating National Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We're going to celebrate that for the whole entire month. This month is dedicated to all that has survived and that is still currently battling breast cancer. So in today's video, this video is dedicated to my grandmother, which is a breast cancer survivor. I thank God for blessing her, for allowing her to be here 9 years strong, that she has been blessed to still be here and to be a survivor of breast cancer and to live and tell of God's goodness. So pretty much I have been so busy, everyone. My kids started back school in August. Ever since August, I have been trying to adapt to just school being back in. Like normally every year when we have school and it starts back, I normally adapt really quick. This year I've had the most difficult time trying to adapt, and I think it's because this is the first year my kids are riding the bus. My oldest daughter and my baby girl, also my niece and nephew, they're riding the bus too. And I'm trying to tell you, it has been a lot for me with riding the bus and just life itself. It's just been a lot, but I have been posting shorts through those busy times. We're completely on schedule now, and I said, well, I might as well go on to start back posting full videos, and this is my first video. I'm so excited about it. I'm so glad that I was able to show you all how I'm designing my breast cancer awareness tree for this year, 2022. Well, as all of you know, or some of you may not know, I do a breast cancer tree every year. I've been doing one every year for the past 3 years, and it has just been a joy to be able to just celebrate those who have survived and those who are currently still going through, so they'll know that there are people out there that cares for them and their current situation. And there's people out there that's caring for all of those that has also overcame breast cancer. I thank God for just all that he is doing for so many people and how so many people are able to overcome this deadly disease. And I just thank God for how he was able to bless my grandmother to still be with us, and I'm so grateful unto God for that. But all the items that you see were purchased from Dollar Tree, literally everything. The ornaments were purchased from Dollar Tree last year or year before last, I'm not for sure, but the pumpkins were purchased from Dollar Tree. This year the little magnet signs were also purchased from Dollar Tree this year. The boa I had for about a year or so also. And I'm just so glad that you all tuned in. Continue to enjoy the rest of my video. I love you all so much. I love how everything turned out. It's looking really, really good. I love all the aspects of this tree. Um, I did not know that the roses lit up multicolor. I thought it was gonna be like a clear, like a warm lighting blinking throughout the flowers, but I'm okay with the colors. The colors look very festive. I love how this tree turned out. It looks so beautiful. I love every aspect of it. I thank you all for tuning in for another episode of Uneatly Tae. I enjoyed you all on today. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.